Hi everyone, I'm one of the health insurance advocates here at Sequence, and today I wanted to walk you through the prior authorization process. Once you have consulted with your clinician and have decided on which GLP is the best option for you, a lot of insurance companies require us to submit a prior authorization, also known as a PA. Basically, it's a form with a set of questions that your insurance company sends us to fill out and send back to them to see if you meet the criteria or the requirements for them to provide some coverage. And we also attach additional documentation to support why the clinician believes you need to be on this medication. Once everything is filled out, we go ahead and send that to your pharmacy benefit manager. And what they do is they manage the prescription coverage for your insurance company. Once that prior authorization is submitted, determination times can vary between 2 to 14 days. There are some cases where we do receive that determination same day and we do update you via chat, but I do want to emphasize that each health plan is unique, and that is why coverage and determination can vary for each member. I hope this information was helpful, and we look forward to helping you and assisting you on your journey.